Lift your hands and worship. Easy beat. I don't know what you were doing. You were pressing your phone. Oh. Lift your hands and worship. Easy beat. Play that song. Lift your hands and worship. Kawasaki Rashidi.
He's here.
He's here.
Who is
Serve yourself is a buffet.
Who is here?
Serve yourself. You know, all those is like Gichi for church. We exhaust you, oh Lord. We exhaust you, oh Lord. Be nullified. Be nullified. God forgive me when I play. Anyway, welcome back on Sunday Night Show. I get Baba K and Doyinsola for Inside Studio. That song going on first here. Now Doyinsola song. Very gantious somebody. A superlicious, bangious, heskeput. Bangalaku. How you with him?
I am with you.
You see, you don't have to understand that English.
Now, one person you describe like this.
Yeah, you see, when she stand up, sister, stand up. Minister, catwalk for us and come back. Please, catwalk for us now. I'm getting a mega fire. Just go. Hey, catwalk. Then go now. Go meet Easy Beats. Then turn back again.
Scratch what they don't say that now.
Turn back. Now you see why she said bangios a escaput hulala bagu. You see this one. Now ain't you what a lago goes to? You say Ekwen Sam Loman Siama me water. Ekwen Laman Siama me water. Or Mame water on your
that guy must get one thing to talk.
I don't know.
He get one thing must.
All the movie, it always get
even
one.
if now waka pass one scene they play, he must talk something so that now remember saying the movie.
Anyway, Doyinsola, how you doing?
I do. Right.
Welcome to the night show. You said stay check out.
I
Right. You don't know. It is a chair move.
Wait, she be Nigerian.
Oh my God.
Let me ask.
Because I know say the name Desola na Nigerian.
Proper Yoruba babe.
Okay, because when you say Ajay, alright, the thing
Yeah. Ask me.
Desola, how you doing?
Stop it. I do.
Ajay.
I die. I don't know. I die. Anyway, welcome to the night show.
Thank you.
It's just a laugh like this. What's in this with you?
Now you know.
You know this
I
with you?
just hope I don't break my ribs before I leave this show.
Anyway, I also get Baba K for Inside Studio. Baba K, get show. Baba K, first of all, before we continue, tell us about this show where they come up this weekend.
My comedy show where they call Baba K.
Okay, wait. Before I talk about the comedy show. Now, the follow babe talk for Facebook. Now for Facebook, now they for jam. So the babe just put picture there because for Maryland, get mobile police station where they for Maryland. They get one Mr. Biggs where they there. Not being the guy did they talk. Now the guy goes okay. Made them meet on a Wednesday. He goes okay. In done they made the babe they come. So now be the babe come down. So now he come call the babe say, where are you? The babe say, I just came down from the cab now. Say, what? Now he ask again, what are you wearing? He say, I'm wearing a red top and a blue jeans. When he see the person wearing red top and blue jeans,
They should stop deceiving us.
Wait. Now he say, then I'm coming inside. You are coming inside. Okay. Not being the girl can finally enter in, don't run. Come on, when they play. He begin to get call. Finally, in come pick phone. Yes. No, okay. Now he tell the girl, say the number you have just reached is unavailable at the moment. Please try again later. And the girl like, say, see you. I want just help your life. My brother just come back from London. He give me like $2 million. I say, how me? He make me sit down. Maybe you find how we go take share the money. You can. Hey, then he say, baby, come. Then they get like, say, okay. To talk to me, press 1. To talk to me in English, press 1. To talk to me in Pidgin, press 2. But this thing, seriously, Now Instagram now. Now you don't change anything. Every girl for Instagram now the yellow.
No, it will shock you.
It says, yeah, Doyinsola me there so now. If you see a picture for Instagram,
no, you are
she
there.
go yellow.
Because I don't even know the difference between
filter.
girls.
You see that filter?
Mannequin again.
Filter.
They will filter and they will measure.
Anyway, Moku face you. Doyinsola me how you did. Tell me how you take start music work. I must start with.
Actually, I started music
English
when I be 7.
I use Pidgin ask you. I use Pidgin ask you a question. They speak Pidgin.
Now for age 7.
1987.
For age 7.
Oh.
7
At
years.
Why you go
age-
say 7
at the
years?
age
You go
of
say when I be 7 years.
Okay, when I be 7 years.
Oh, even you, Kwama,
Na
age
like
7.
that, I take start. I did through now from church choir, you
Okay.
know. Now from there I take start.
For CAC.
No be. I don't go talk this one. Then you know, in 2007,
Okay.
I was in StarQuest. I did for
Okay.
StarQuest 2007.
Okay. But
I
you
was-
win.
My group no win, no, but at least we
Oh.
dey house, you know.
You chop their food.
We chop the food.
their clothes.
Wear their clothes, do their
Like,
makeup,
you know.
drink their beer.
Now so we enjoy. Then you know, course of school, I know if we continue.
Okay.
Now this year now, last month, now I can start fully. Into
So
music.
wait, you mean say this song where you do so now? Now since when you never do song since now you can't do this song?
Not true. That's what happened.
No, you not. You understand what she talk?
Yeah.
Yes,
Especially
you
about
know,
do song
I be
ever
dey
since.
go studio. I dey do studio rats. I go just go. I go do back call.
Wetin be studio rap?
Like
Everybody
you,
go just go studio.
you go
now.
just
no
go
You
studio.
don't get time to
you
do anything.
know.
They go just sit down, they look everybody.
Just they
welcome.
look. If
You
people
know the
need
producer,
backup,
yourself.
producer clean things, arrange
you go
things.
They go,
just
they buy
no be
food,
no
they
be
buy the
that, no be that.
Then you go sleep there.
If people need backup, you go do backup. They no go pay you. You go they get exposure, experience. Na so it be. Until last month when I can record this one, drop out.
Tell me, the inspiration where they behind the song where you do. What make you just sit down, you write, why not do what's gospel song? You can't.
Na love I dey preach oh. Na love oh. You know, so many homes are broken now. So we need to start that love from house. Now from house we go take start
Tell me now,
down.
who you get for mind when you see this thing?
Nobody oh. My mind just stay pure.
Nobody! Are you wearing? You don't marry? You don't marry?
This one na fashion ring.
But wait, you
now.
don't marry?
Na fashion ring.
But wait, now you don't marry.
You won't spoil my market.
Now you go even talk whether you don't marry or not, so that we go know where the market
get
dey
it
go.
back for me, make I
My
know.
sister, wait, make I tell you something. You see this thing, men, we get how they like move. You don't understand. We don't like if another man wife, we go.
We'll lean back.
We go lean back.
back.
You know what I mean? We go lean back. But if you never marry, hey, that time that.
Make people start
Forward.
to dey bid oh. Na the highest bidder go.
Oh, easy with you
bidding.
see
Na
am.
so it be.
Oh,
You
Biddy
see
get
am?
this one.
You see I'm just like so now. How much you go start from?
It has to be not even in naira, no be for naira.
My
oh.
sister, you are wicked. You
No
will not
be
make
for
heaven.
naira.
You will not make heaven. If not that one, you're not gonna make heaven. Now, so far. Tell us after you release this song, what will be the acceptance of this song so far since when you don't release them?
Right from the studio, the acceptance just they like out of this world. Everybody will listen to them, go on listen to them over and over. Before now, it's not like nobody say I know record any song, but me I be great critic. I go listen to person song, I will be like, what is this? So for my own song too, I gotta sit down,
talk,
make
comot
I
some kind
see.
thing,
I go
one
even
of your-
give some people who don't know me, say, what do you think about this song? They go say, okay, you good. I've not received any bad comments about the song.
Some people for if some people will hear this song go say it try sound like Tiwa Savage or say it try sound like Niniola or somebody.
This is not doing this original, like Doyinsola.
But wait, forget all of us. Everybody where they do music. One thing for this life, you must get person where they copy. Now
I know.
for Nigeria, leave that thing.
I know copy.
You call a mentor.
Okay,
I know go answer. No be.
Now who be the wait now?
I know they copy. I know they copy.
Okay, who be your role model?
I know they copy. Now God be my role model.
You know,
If you don't hear God voice before, you gonna say
So
now. Like,
If you go tell her,
So now God,
if not be
you get which
Doyinsola.
album God release where you keep where you dey listen.
Now say,
that one they between me and God. oh.
God, what do I write the lyrics?
F sharp.
I
Say no, that's off.
This
That's
one.
off. That's off.
Use minor
Now
code.
God, oh, this one now God. Purely.
No, okay, for music industry generally for
Okay.
Nigeria. Now who the person you look up to?
Let me say Tiwa.
Tiwa Savage.
Yes.
You see?
No be say, no be.
You see? You see?
Don't
She have
quote
talk
me.
it.
Nana
Don't
you talk.
quote me. Don't
Nana,
quote
you talk.
me.
Anyway, more about small chicken if you want to come back and continue. Still on top of the night show. Get Baba K for inside studio and Doyinsola me.
if you know say, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.